Dear friends, we very well know that preparation is the key to success. So, wherever you see preparation, there is a chance for success. And the aftermath of preparation is success. Two people were engaged in woodcutting. One passed 5 years in woodcutting, another passed only 1 year. But this 1 year guy is getting more payment, more salary. And why he is getting more salary, even though his service is only 1 year? So a person wants to find out what's the reason. So he was observing both of them, and he found that in the case of the 1 year guy, he sharpens his axe every day for half an hour before cutting the wood. So that's a regular practice. Because of that practice, his axe is so sharpened that he was able to cut the wood easily. The amount of wood he is cutting is more because of the sharpening of the axe. So this sharpening is a kind of preparation he makes before cutting the wood. That preparation led him to success. Karl Marx used to spend 10 hours daily for reading in London Library, and he continued the task for 10 years. And 10 years he used to read for 10 hours a day. And after that, he started writing the great book, Das Kapital. And he was able to achieve the task well because of his 10 years reading. So that's the preparation. So wherever you find preparation, there will be success. You take the case of all the Olympians. You know that they become Olympians because of a practice, a great practice. And practice makes a man perfect. And that practice is actually a preparation. And in life also we find people who are taking the higher post like collector's post or some other great post in the society. They become collector because of a long preparation, and that long preparation is their education. During that time of education, what they do is they study well. Because of their study, they get good marks in the examination. They pass interviews. Everything happens because of a preparation. So preparation is the key to success. Wherever there is preparation, there will be success. Not only in the field of sports, not only in the field of arts or science, wherever we go, preparation is the key to success. So let us also work with preparation so that we also can catch success, or we also can enjoy success. So the key to success is preparation. So let us prepare ourselves to get success. I thank God and Guru for enabling me to talk to you all this, and I also thank all of you for listening me. Thank you very much.